Hi, this is Rob from SeeHowToDoIt.com. Before we start the video, we'd like to thank you for watching. We'd also like to ask you to please like, subscribe, and share on social media, and visit us at SeeHowToDoIt.com. Today we're going to show you how to disassemble and reassemble a Bonaire rooftop downdraft side draft. This will be extremely helpful if you're going to be mounting this on the roof. It'll make the unit a lot lighter and you'll be able to bring it up yourself. Also, you could use this video to show you how to replace other parts such as the pump, the fan, etc. Let's get started. To save time on the length of the video, we've went ahead and removed all the screws on the swamp cooler that need to be removed to take it apart. We'll start with the top and we'll point to the locations that need to be removed. Now we'll show you the location of the screws on the side panels that need to be removed. They're pretty much in the same place all the way around. Now that you've removed all the screws that hold on the top and the side panels, we're ready to start disassembling the swamp cooler. We'll go ahead and start by removing some of the side panels. You go ahead and put your hands here and lift straight up. Now we're ready to remove the next panel, pretty much the same way. Lift it straight up. Next, on the inside, you're going to want to disconnect the power for the fan and also the pump, which is located right over here. So we'll go ahead and unplug this for the pump. And then we'll also unplug the fan right over here. Now we'll go ahead and remove another side panel here. Lift straight up on it, just like the others. Now we're ready to go ahead and remove the top of the swamp cooler. We'll go ahead and lift straight up on it. I'm going to have to rock it back and forth to get it off the pipes a little bit. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the last panel in the same way. Lift straight up. Next, we're going to go ahead and remove the PVC pipes, and these will also be held in by screws. You'll find one over here, and on the other one, you'll find it right over here. And we'll go ahead and lift straight out. We'll go ahead and remove the other one. Now we're going to go ahead and remove our pump, which you'll find screws also. You'll need to remove them right here and right here. Then we'll be able to go ahead and lift up on our pump, and then we're going to disconnect our hose by slowly wiggling it out here. Now we're going to go ahead and remove our fan, and it might be a little bit difficult to remove it if it's already been set up as a downdraft. There are no screws holding this, so we're going to go ahead and wiggle it out a little bit. Slowly rock back and forth, and it should come out. And now everything's been pretty much removed, so if you need to carry this up on the roof, it's going to be light. You're not going to have any issues bringing it up on the roof, taking the chance of dropping it and doing any damage. So now we're going to get started to show you how to reassemble it. Okay, and if you're reassembling it as a downdraft, we're going to go ahead and put back in our fan. And we're going to go ahead and slide it down nice and gently. And you do want to make sure that the cord is on this side, that way it'll be closer to when you go ahead and re-plug it in. Now we're going to go ahead and reinstall our pump. We'll start by connecting the hose first. We'll go ahead and slip it on here. Make sure that it's firmly seated. Okay, now you're going to want to put your two screws back in here, mounting it to the frame assembly. Next, we're going to go ahead and put our PVC pipes back in. One here, and you'll go ahead and put the screws back in. There's one right over here, and then you'll find one on the other side of this pipe. Now we're ready to start reinstalling our panels. We're going to want to start with the side draft panel first, and you're going to want that to be opposite of your PVC pipes. And when you put in the panel, it's going to go right into these holes here and here, and you'll make sure this goes in there right here. in. Next, we're going to go ahead and install the top. And you're going to want to make sure that you put the PVC pipes right into these holes here. See it there? And you want to make sure it's rested right on the top here. Now you're going to want to go ahead and reconnect your pump and your fan. So we'll go ahead and reconnect our fan on the top here. Then we'll go ahead and reconnect our pump. And you're going to want to make sure the wires are out of the way there. Now we're ready to go ahead and install the next panel, and once again you're going to install it the same way. You want this here and this here to be slid into the hole here and also the hole over here. We'll go ahead and start to install the next panel, and these will be a little bit more difficult. You'll see you have a little track over here. That will need to be slid into the track right over here. And on this side, you have the track here, and that will be slid into the track right over here. And this might be a little bit difficult. You're going to want to go ahead and slide in the right side first, here, and then push it in on the other side. Slide down on it, and you can pull this out a little bit to play with them. And we have it in there. Like I said, this can be a little bit difficult. So now we're going to go ahead and do the other side. Now we're going to go ahead and slide in the last panel, and I don't suggest putting any of the screws back until you have these panels in, because it will let you be able to play with it a little bit to be able to get it inside the track. Wobble it a little bit, and then it should slide down. Now we have all the panels back in, and we're going to show you the screw locations to put back in the screws. And once again, we're only going to show you the locations where the screws go to save time on the video. So on the top, you're going to have one here. And you don't have to worry if you have any gaps as you put on the screws. You could always push it back in, and we'll show you the side panels. You'll have one here, here, and it's pretty much as simple as that. Once again, we'd like to thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share on social media, and visit us at seehowtodoit.com. Thank you.